don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
Hi, it's Scott with RVFix. Today we're going to be summarizing a Jayco Jay Flight 160 LKW. First we're going to start with putting some water in our fresh water tank. So we're just going to hook a hose up, start filling up with some fresh water. We don't have to fill it completely up. We just want enough to get everything flushed out. As you're filling your tank, you want to make sure your fresh water tank drain here is shut. Seeing this one's up front on the driver's side. We also have our low points back here. We'll want to make sure those are shut for right now. We're going to locate our water heater. City water connection is there. We'll hook up and flush that too once we get a little further in. As that's filling, what we'll do, we'll go in and we'll locate our pump and make sure that the valves are positioned in the correct location. On this particular unit, our water pump is located right underneath our refrigerator. So we'll access that through here. As you can see back here, our water pump is located there with our suction hose for our antifreeze. So what we're going to do is take this out of the bypass. So we are going to flip this hose, this valve, downward. So the pump is now going to be picking up from the tank, not our suction hose for our antifreeze. Also back here, you can see since we do have a tankless water heater, there is no bypasses. So as opposed to a tanked water heater where we do have bypasses, this one do not, so we won't have to worry about flipping valves behind that. We're just going to flush through it. So once we've got that situated in the right position, we'll check and see what our water level is. We can do that on our monitor panel. So it's showing full. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and come out and shut that water off. Okay, now that our water's shut off, we're gonna go back, and now we're just gonna get to a point where we're just gonna be flushing it out. We just wanna clean out the pink. So we're gonna turn on our water pump switch here. You can tell our pump comes on. So we've built up pressure, the pump is shut off, on-demand pump, and we're just gonna open the faucets, hot and cold. We're just gonna flush this out until we get our clear water. We'll do that on both sides, hot and cold. We'll go to the bathroom. We'll flush our toilet. Make sure we got it. Got the antifreeze out. Bathroom sink. Same with it. We can get our shower. We'll just let that flow clear. Like such. And I always just kind of hit them all one more time as I come back through, just making sure that we have it clear on the inside. Then we'll come outside. We're going to get our low points. So we have our low points here. We'll just open those up. Push those out to clear. Hot and cold. With this unit, we do not have an outside shower, outside spray port. If we did, we'd want to hook up to that and flush that out. But as of right now, we are pretty well cleared out. You can now, if you want, pull your hose, go to your city water connection, hook up to it, like such, and we'll turn that water on. We'll come back inside. We're going to go ahead and shut our pump off. And then we're just going to try our city water. Make sure we've got everything out. You can see we've gotten rid of all our foam. And now we're clean. And that is summarizing your Jayco Jay Flight.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.